So you finally decided to try out Recordly. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install it, whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux. First, let's talk hardware. Recordly is lightweight, but it does have some ground rules. If you're on a Mac, you'll need Mac OS 14 Sonoma or higher, and yes, it supports both Apple Silicon and the older Intel chips. Windows users, you're looking at Windows 10 build 19041 or later, and for the Linux crowd, any modern distro will do. Once you've confirmed your specs, head over to Recordly.dev. You'll see different download options for each major operating system. On Mac, make sure you pick the right one for your architecture. If you're on an M-series chip, look for the Silicon option. If you're on an older Mac, you'll want the Intel version. Now, if you're a power user and want to build this directly from the source, the official GitHub repository has the full instructions, but for most of us, these single-file installers are the way to go. Let's get these installed. For Windows, it's as simple as it gets. Double-click that .exe you just downloaded, follow the prompts, and you're done. No extra configuration needed. On Linux, things are a little different. Since it's an app image, it won't have execute permissions by default. Just right-click the file, hit Properties, go to the Permissions tab, and check the box that says Allow Executing File as Program. Once that's checked, the app is ready to launch. For the Mac users, double-click that .dmg file and drag the Recordly icon into your Applications folder. But here's the crucial step. Mac OS is strict about privacy. Once you open the app, you'll need to jump into System Settings under Privacy and Security. Make sure you grant Recordly permission for your microphone, webcam, accessibility, and screen recording. Without these, the magic of the auto zoom and cursor tracking won't work.
You might be tempted to skip these pop-ups, but don't. Without accessibility and screen recording access, the app is essentially blind. It won't be able to detect where your mouse is moving or what windows are active.
And just like that, you're ready to start recording. Recordly is now sitting in your app drawer, waiting to turn your screen captures into professional content. In the next video on your screen, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the UI and set up your first high-end recording. I'll see you there.